This is a quick overview of the simple yet powerful TankScan monitoring dashboard. The first screen I'm looking at is the grids view. This shows all of your tanks by name. You can sort or filter by the tanks. You can organize these columns however you want. You can user define columns as well for your own specific needs. This one is showing that you can see all percent fulls of all your tanks quick and easy. You can see the gallons in your tank. You can also see the gallons in the headspace of the tank. Here you're seeing battery temperature as diagnostics tools for you to understand what's going on with that tank. There's color coding here. You can also sort by and look at which tanks you need to service first. Another view you can look at is your tanks by map location. You can drill into these tanks and find which exact tanks you need to service first, and you can also get a map to these tanks. A third view is the trend view. You can trend all of your parameters here. This is just showing your percent full. This is a 7-day history. You can change this history to 30 days, 90 days, a full year, and you can add additional pins to the trend for your full in gallons and also your battery and your diagnostics information. A fourth view is the tank alert. This is an alert that goes out on a text or an email message to your cell phone or your emails and allows you really not to have to look at your dashboard, but let the email system tell you when there's something going on that's of interest to take a look at. Thanks for joining.